the Flytec T13, a real classic. There's the takeoff. There's the rates. The video's running. From what I remember, the video on this thing looked good. I think it looked decent. Yeah, I think it looked clear. Let's take it up a little bit and see if we can just get some still video shots here. I mean, on the screen, it looks spectacular. Whether it's going to look like that or not on the in the video, I don't know. But on the screen, it looks great. On the screen, it looks like 720 or 1080p. There's a flip for the kiddies. And I think it has a 550 in there, a battery, for a battery. It's pretty maneuverable actually in this third rate. It's very acrobatic, should I say, is the word I'm looking for. So I'm just going to slow it down here a little bit so I can fly it around. This is the second rate. This is a nice quadcopter, guys. This thing flies great. Like I said, it's a phone flyer when you buy it. They might have a version that comes with the transmitter, I'm not sure. PD Tech turned me on to this thing. I seen him fly this thing. I went, wow, I got to get me one of them things. But I think he lost his. I think it did a flyaway or something on him. Now look at the pitch difference when I kick the rate up. Look at that. It almost stands straight up. I got to bring it down because I lost the bind there. It goes really. Yeah, I crashed it and it recovered. Oh shit! Whenever you turn it in this third rate, whenever you try to, do those turns, it goes real fast. It goes kind of like past where you want it to, so that'll cause you to lose your bearings there, which I just did. A little bit on the windy side too, but I'm not blaming that. That was my fault, so. Yep. I hit the land button instead of the rate button. Sorry about that. I would say, you see how when I go to turn it right like that, when I go like that, sometimes it wants to go like and spin like a little bit more around, so that makes it a little bit more difficult to control. Now it has a headless mode, but I'm not going to use that. See, okay, I know the term. The term, it's oversteer. That's what it does. But you can adapt to it. You just get used to it. That's all. Hey, the video looks good at least, right? Yeah, that's what it does. It oversteers. And so it kind of throws you off base there a little bit. Like that. Did you see that? How when it came out of that turn, it kind of kept turning, even though you wanted it to stop. So it's good though. The Flytec T13. It's a classic. It's way better than the T18. See, that's what I mean right there. By that oversteering. Right there. Uh-oh, I think I see some lights flashing. That might be the end. That might be the end of the road. Hold on, let me stop the video. The video went for 7 minutes, so take a minute out for me chasing it, so. I'm just riding out the battery, guys, because I know it's coming. There it goes. Blop. Okay, well, who cares? At least I saved the video, hopefully. Yep. This is a good quadcopter. You just have to adapt to that little bit of oversteer. It just takes a little bit of practice. Once you get the hang of it, you know, like I haven't flown this thing in well over a year. So I'm no longer used to it. Okay, I'm no longer used to the oversteering. So I could readapt myself to it, no problem. But yeah, this is a good flying quadcopter, guys. Really. All right, guys. Have a nice day.